Today, action cameras are small, lightweight, and wearable. They become a staple accessory for thrill-seeking adventurers, sightseeing travelers, vloggers, or just the average Joe looking to record images as a hobby. Although the current crop of smartphones is still capable of shooting impressive still and videos, an action camera is a great investment, and for a number of reasons. With that said, the number of action cameras on the market can make your purchase frustrating. Worse still, technical terms such as stabilized 4K, activity sensor, and frame rates don't necessarily make things any better. So that's where we come in. Our team of researchers has spent months diving, climbing, and biking with different action camera models to help you find the one that's best. In this video, we've compiled a list of the 5 best action cameras that'll record and survive all of your adrenaline-fueled activities. If you're interested in any of the action cameras on our list, we've included the links in the description box below. Keep watching to find out about each one. At number 1 is the Aqua action camera. This award-winning action camera packs inventive new features and shatters the stereotypical looks of a typical action camera. For starters, it features an organic design with bold, rounded edges, giving the camera a more streamlined shape. On top of the aerodynamic body, Aqua's combo of low profile and universal 1/4-inch tripod mount provides less wind drag when mounted on a fast-moving car, bike, or motorcycle. When it comes to image quality, this camera does not cut corners. Still photo resolution is pegged at 12, 8, and 5 megapixels, making Aqua one of the most versatile models on our list. This, together with different picture modes like burst, time-lapse, multi-photo, continuous loop, recording, and motion recording, offer you plenty of options to choose from. Another thing that makes this camera unique from its peers is the proprietary live cut feature. The manufacturer understands that not every video is going to be perfect, so the live cut feature allows you to trim unwanted footage sections from your recorded videos on the fly, freeing up space immediately. That's not all, the live cut function also makes it easier for you to delete, reshoot, and save your best videos. Another impressive feature is the one-touch record. Once it's turned on, it allows you to automatically start recording a video with a simple press of the power record button. This feature is especially important when shooting with your hands on bike handles or while swimming. The audio quality of your videos has never been clearer thanks to the multiple isolated camera microphones. Depending on your environment, you can alternate between 3 different recording settings of stereo, top, and front. For easy charging and faster transfer of data, the Aqua action camera comes with an aux-snap magnetic connection, which requires no plugging in when charging. Additionally, the removable 1000 mAh battery takes about 90 minutes to fully recharge and can juice you up for an hour and 11 minutes on that 4K video mode, an hour and 14 minutes on 1080 video. The Aqua is also built for your convenience in mind. With the app, you can link the camera to your iPhone or Android smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and select different shooting modes, preview and trim videos, track your location, and even share your content with friends on social media. If you're looking for a sleek camera with a practical look, the Aqua action camera is an enticing contender. Its resume is backed up by an aerodynamic design, IPX7 water-resistant rating, killer video footage, and of course the on-the-fly editing capability. At number 2 is the GoPro Hero 8. Over the years, GoPro has turned out a long line of action cameras and has consistently been near the top of the pack every time. The manufacturer has further upped the ante with their introduction of the Hero 8. Design-wise, the feature-rich camera has made immense ergonomic improvements by using a frame metal to create a sturdy exterior that's accentuated with rubber faceplate and edges. The Hero 8 is fitted with a powerful GP1 chipset, giving it unmatched image quality and stabilization. It also has high-speed video capture rate of 60 frames per second in 4K resolution. Video modes are captured at 30 frames per second and 24 frames respectively. To further meet the technical needs of your photography and improve the quality of your videos, the Hero 8 has incredible footage bitrate of 100 MBS for both 4K and 2.7K resolutions. Another truly impressive feature of the Hero 8 is the Hypersmooth 2.0 electronic image stabilization. It allows you to record even in the most intense activities and jarring camera movements without having to worry about those shaky, unwatchable videos. Better yet, the Live Burst feature lets you capture intermittent 1.5-second videos, scrub through 90 individual frames, and select the best. And with the orientation lock mode included, accidentally recording your videos the wrong ratio will be a thing of the past. If your weekends are spent biking around, barreling downhill, or jumping in the backyard pool, the Hero 8 action camera will help you create fun, shareable, and jarring-free videos of your extreme life. It has a rugged, waterproof body, offers excellent stabilization, and captures premium video quality. If you haven't seen the ideal camera yet, keep watching because we still have 3 more to go. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. And now, let's continue. At number 3 is the DJI Osmo Action Camera. DJI is best known for making gimbals and camera drones, but their hot-off-the-assembly line gadget, the Osmo Action Camera, manages to pull out all the stops and deliver everything you would even need in an action camera. Although it has taken a few of its design cues from GoPro, the Osmo Action Camera still manages to hold its own and give the thoroughbred model a serious run for its money. In the design department, the Osmo Action embraces more of a utilitarian look. It features a sturdy gray plastic casing, a circular lens, and an underside sitting battery with 2 internal clips holding it in place. Navigating Osmo's menu is a piece of cake thanks to the 2.25-inch touchscreen, while the slick UI is refined, pushing this camera a fraction ahead of its peers. When it comes to recording videos, the DJI Osmo Action Camera has the ability to shoot UHD 4K 60 resolution at 100 megabits per second and HDR video at 4K 30, resulting in stunning, dynamic, and consistent videos across dark and light scenes. DJI also uses the advanced rock-steady electronic image stabilization. With all of their experience developing world-class gimbals, it ensures that gimbal-like smoothness to all of your videos regardless of the recording mode. The Osmo Action Camera is one of the few cameras to incorporate a dedicated slow-mo mode, which allows you to record playback-ready videos straight from the camera, allowing you to zero in on the best shots. For a more hands-off experience, the Mimo app is packed with powerful editing tools and a host of other intuitive features to help you churn out Instagram-ready stills and videos. Better yet, you can share your content using the app without ever having to switch the device or transfer. If you're looking for a powerful, equally affordable action camera, the Osmo Action is a solid buy. Osmo definitely took its inspiration from GoPro, but its features, performance, and usability will take care of the most daring thrill seekers. It also goes without saying that the front screen is an instant hit with the vlogging community. Finally, at number 5 is the Sony DSC RX0 II action camera. Boasting of high-octane stills and video capturing ability, this tiny but tough action camera is primed to succeed in a world of extremes, thanks to its extremely rugged build. Measuring approximately 3 by 4 3/4 by 6 1/4 inches and weighing in at 132 grams, the RX0 II's superb quality enables it to withstand a drop of up to 6.5 feet, a 440-pound crush, and waterproof up to 33 feet. Under the hood, you'll find the powerful 1.0 type processor, which is 4 times larger compared to what's found in most flagship action cameras. Additionally, there is also the Bion NZ X image processing engine that allows low distortion of Tessar T lenses, which combine to reduce external noise, enhancing the dynamic range and cram more quality into your stills and videos. The inclusion of the tilting LCD screen has upped the RX0's II ante and made it more appealing to vloggers. You'll also love the fact that the LCD screen tilts up to 180 degrees and 90 degrees down, letting you capture cool angles at the same time while avoiding direct sunlight while framing your shot. It works even underwater without needing a dedicated housing, which is a welcome addition for vloggers who love to record while swimming. Recording 4K video on the RX0 II is a piece of cake. You can enjoy shooting 4K 30 natively, Full HD at 120 frames per second and slow-mo at 960 frames per second. If that's not enough, this action camera also offers relatively higher bit rates compared to its peers, meaning each frame is packed with more detail. For smartphone connectivity, basic editing, and content sharing, you can interface the camera with Sony's Play Memories app. Lastly, the app allows you to control up to 5 RXO's action cameras simultaneously, which is particularly important for in-car shots that require multiple camera rigs. If you're a blogger or regular adventurer looking for an action camera that packs potent photographic firepower, then the RX0 II perfectly ticks off all those boxes. It's super tough, has a fixed aperture, and a fitted tiltable screen, all combining to give you the perfect videos for your audience. And there you go, the top 5 action cameras currently out there. Whether you're looking to shoot some adventures just for you and your friends or to put out online, we hope you found the perfect camera to suit your needs for the best video, battery, and durability. If you found a particular camera captivating, click the links in the description box to catch it at a discounted price. Before we wrap things up, we're always looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. So if you have a product in mind that you'd love to see us review, comment down below and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also, stay up to date by subscribing to our channel and tapping the red bell icon so you'll know when our upcoming videos are released. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.